No one told us that one day we would wake up and life would look exactly the same, but we wouldn't. Nothing would be wrong, yet nothing would feel right. And that confusion, that's the phase no one warned us about. It doesn't arrive with noise, it doesn't break things dramatically, it doesn't announce itself, it just settles in quietly. You still go to work, you still reply to messages, you still laugh when you are supposed to. From the outside, your life looks fine. From the inside, something feels off. And the strangest part is, you can't explain it. You are not sad enough to cry, not angry enough to scream, not broken enough to ask for help. You are just disconnected from yourself, from your excitement, from the version of you that used to feel alive. No one prepares us for this phase because it doesn't fit into a neat category. It's not failure, it's not heartbreak, it's not depression in the way people talk about it. It's the slow, silent feeling of losing yourself without knowing when it started. One day you realize you don't remember the last time you felt deeply happy. Not the smiling for photos kind, but the real quiet happiness that settles in your chest. You start questioning things you never questioned before. Why does everything feel like effort? Why do days blur together? Why am I tired even after resting? Why do I feel guilty for wanting more when nothing is technically wrong? And the worst part, you start thinking something is wrong with you. You think you are ungrateful. You think you are lazy. You think you have lost discipline or motivation. But listen to me carefully. This phase is not a personal failure, it's a transition. A phase where the old version of you no longer fits, but the new version hasn't arrived yet. You have outgrown your old dreams, but you haven't named new ones. You have changed internally, but your life hasn't caught up yet. So you feel stuck in between. This is what nobody tells you about growing up. Growth isn't always loud or inspiring. Sometimes growth feels confusing. Sometimes it feels empty. Sometimes it feels like standing still while something inside you is quietly rearranging. And because there is no visible reason for the pain, you start invalidating yourself. You say things like, others have it worse. I should be thankful. Why am I like this? But pain doesn't need permission to exist, and confusion doesn't need justification. This phase shows up when you have been strong for too long, when you have been responsible, mature, understanding, when you have been surviving quietly. It shows up when you have been living on autopilot, doing what's expected, choosing what's practical, saying yes when you wanted to pause. And slowly, without realizing it, you stop listening to yourself. You don't ask what you feel anymore. You ask what you should do. You don't follow excitement, you follow obligation. You don't rest, you distract. And one day, your mind finally says, I can't keep pretending. That's when this phase begins. The phase where silence gets louder, where nights feel heavier, where you crave meaning for more success. And here's the truth nobody says out loud. This phase is painful, but it's also important because it's the phase that asks you to slow down, to sit with yourself, to feel what you have been avoiding. It's the phase where life stops pushing you forward and asks you to look inward instead. Not to fix yourself, not to become better overnight, but to remember who you are without the noise, without the pressure, without the expectations. This is not the end of the story, it's the pause between chapters. And pauses feel uncomfortable because you are not taught how to be still. But stillness is not emptiness, it's space. Space for honesty, space for healing, space for a gentler version of you to emerge. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need a 5 year plan. You don't need to force happiness. What you need is permission to breathe without explaining yourself, to rest without guilt, to feel without labeling it as weakness. This phase will not last forever, but it will change you if you let it. Not someone louder, not into someone harder, but into someone more aware, more present, more aligned. So, if you are in this phase right now, please hear this. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are not becoming quietly, slowly, gently. And sometimes that's the most important